Mitaji, you can continue. We can see you. Please continue.
Good morning, friends. Myself, Mrs. Smita Mahanti, wife of my crown husband, Mr. R.K. Mahanti. Welcome to all of you. Now, जिसके जरिए आज हम यहाँ पर है और सारे ग्रेट अपलायंस मिस्टर संजय एंड अंजू जैन, मिस्टर श्रवण एंड संगीता चांद, मिस्टर कुलीन एंड मीना जी, मिस्टर कांति एंड लता गला, मिसेस लता गला, अप टू बील एंड पेगी ब्रिट। तो हमने 20 इयर्स महांती जी के साथ बिजनेस को साथ मिलके बिजनेस को बिल्ड किया। तो 2020 में बहुत कुछ हो गया, लेकिन एज ए मास्टर प्लान अभी भी महांती जी मेरे साथ है और आप सबके साथ है, उनका ब्लेसिंग्स सबके साथ है। जो भी ड्रीम्स और विजन वो हमको देके गया है, हम उसको जरूर फुलफिल करेंगे, आप सबके जरिए फुलफिल करेंगे। लाइफ में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आया था, लेकिन चैलेंजेस आते हैं तो भगवान का और क्या प्लान था। जो लिगासी छोड़ के गए, अभी भी हमारा लाइफस्टाइल था, अभी भी हमारा है। हमारे बच्चे जो लिगासी बोलते थे, हमारे बच्चे रश्मिता एंड चंदन एंड सुभस्मिता, हम सब मिलके आगे जाएंगे। We are the answers to the many prayers of the people. लाइफ में सक्सेस का कोई एंड नहीं है। सक्सेसफुल लोग सक्सेस के लिए, ग्रोथ माइंडसेट के लिए 24 आवर्स माइंड में सोचते हैं और एवरी टाइम पॉजिटिव भी रहते हैं। सक्सेस हमारे हाथ में है, किसी के हाथ में नहीं है। महांती जी का जो अनकंडीशनल लव एंड अनकंडीशनल हेल्प वो सब था, वो जो पीपल स्किल वो तो बढ़ाना है, वो सब हम मिलके खुद के साथ बनाएंगे और आगे बढ़ाएंगे। वो सब हम खुद को टीम के साथ रखना है, ये सबसे वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। पीपल स्किल और रिलेशनशिप और अनकंडीशनल लव, केयरिंग एंड हेल्पिंग एटीट्यूड से हम टीम के साथ बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। तो अभी मैं मेरा डॉटर रश्मिता एंड सन इन लॉ चंदन को दे रही हूँ। लीगेसी क्या है बताएंगे। तो गॉड ब्लेस, थैंक यू, गो डायमंड एंड गो क्राउन, वी लव यू।
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. A huge round of applause for each and everyone present here. And a happy new year to each and everyone. Let's actually make this new year a happy one. We are here, gathered here after a long pause, right? And जैसे मॉम ने भी बताया, God has a master plan. Thread उनके हाथ में है, वो कैसे क्या करते हैं उन्हीं को ही पता है. And Dad also used to say the same thing. So a quick introduction about me. So myself, Rashmita Mohanty, I have done my engineering from Rajasthan, and then I went on to pursue a job में थी in Hyderabad as a software consultant. Job कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा. So in 8 months, I left my job to pursue my career in development sector. So there in Mayurbhanj district, in a rural part of Odisha, राजगोविंदपुर में I started working for women empowerment, child empowerment के लिए काम कर रही थी close to 2 years. Post that I went on to do my masters from New York University से मैंने masters किया है in public policy. After which I started working for United Nations. कुछ टाइम जर्मनी में थी, and then New York, and then shifted back to India, got married to Chandan, and Chandan and I, we both are building this business together now. So shifted back to India, here as working as a policy consultant in the parliament. But 5 महीने पहले, September 21st, 2020, जो भी हुआ, my dad was my best friend and still is. October 5th को ही I left my job, quit from my job to pursue the business full time, right? We have been building the business full time, and my husband, who is from IIM Bangalore, working for a consulting sector, went into 50% flexi mode. We decided, even though we are based in Delhi, we decided कि हम लोग permanently भुवनेश्वर में station होंगे, and we'll build the business from where dad has left the business, right? And the journey continues, right? उनका 20 साल का business था. I'll tell you one thing, the people who are gathered here today, we really feel blessed and grateful that my parents, Rakhal and Meeta Mohanty, they took a decision to build this business 20 years back, right? चाहे आज कितने बड़े जॉब में होते, चाहे वो एक प्राइवेट कंपनी के सीईओ होते, चाहे कोई गवर्नमेंट जॉब में, he was in a government job, कुछ भी होते, I'm pretty sure we could not have taken his chair. I'm pretty sure we could not have upheld the legacy, the proud legacy that you'd have left. So we actually genuinely feel very blessed and grateful. जब लोग पूछते रानी, रश्मिता क्या करोगे, what happened, इतना बहुत कुछ liability शायद होगा, इतना बड़ा घर, इतना बड़ा गाड़ी, I tell them one thing, there is no liabilities at all. There are no liabilities, and we're not going back to Delhi even if we own a house there. We have a team there as well. We'll settle between Bhubaneswar and Delhi, and we'll permanently station here in Bhubaneswar. That's the beauty of the legacy. I've always heard Papa say, I'm building the business for the residual nature of income, for the legacy, right? That's the legacy. That's the legacy. You can, jo log ke yahan pe you have kids, I can tell you that you can leave a legacy of love and affection. Money, it's not, it's theek hai, paisa theek hai, but the legacy of love and affection, that you can leave for everyone out here, for your own children, even after you breathe your last, is unparalleled, right? Is unparalleled. जब से हमने decision लिया है to build the business, we have become purpose driven, एक purpose के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, right? Dream में choice होता है, but purpose में there is no choice at all, right? और सबका responsibilities बढ़ गया है. कोरोना ने बहुत लोगों की आंखें खोल दी, it also turning point in our lives, the biggest turning point, and it will be the biggest ever in our lives. Nothing bad could ever happen. But we decided that we'll make Dad our strength, right? Will not make him our weakness. He is our strength. We'll march ahead. We'll move ahead with his vision, with his goal, with his mission. बहुत बड़े visionary थे. हमेशा बोलते थे कि how many lives are better off because we lived. We are the answers to many prayers of the people. With that vision and mission in mind, we are marching ahead. And एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगी, जो लोग यहाँ पे आज gather हुए हैं, this is the right time to take a committed decision to build this business, if not for yourself, for your children, and for all the U35 leaders. Grab the opportunity with both the hands before it becomes too late, right? And build the business right by integrating into the BRIT worldwide system. Build the business and the attitude to last. Attitude determines the altitude in life, so that people remember you even after you breathe your last, right? आपका attitude ऊंचा होना चाहिए, और ये attitude BRIT worldwide system के साथ ही आता है, लोगों के साथ ही आता है. How you behave when you are there. What is your attitude matters a lot in this business. People and product are the two cornerstone of the business, right? So let's build the business to last even after we leave, we breathe our last. And एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगी, I think I'm very emotional today, and I feel very proud and privileged to be carrying forward this legacy. The ripple effect that Rakhal and Meeta Mohanty, mom is still here, has left. किसी के घर में, the ripple effect is too much. People, someone has a new car, someone has a new house, someone's children having a better education system. Someone is leading a stress-free life thanks to one couple, Rakhal and Meeta Mohan, who took a decision 20 years back to build this business. शायद नहीं होता तो ये भी नहीं होता जो आज जो love and affection हमें मिल रहा है. So take one committed decision to build this business with utmost clarity, and you'll have your tangible and intangible fulfilled. And I end with one full story. And I've heard. I'll just request everyone. Okay. So with one simple story. So there are two friends, 6-year-old and 8-year-old. They were traveling, and an 8-year-old boy fell into the pit. The 6-year-old boy, उसको कुछ पता नहीं चला क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, because he was too young. He was just 6-year-old. He ran by and he found a fallen branch there. So he एक fallen branch था, उसको वहां से he found a fallen branch there. जल्दी से हड़बड़ा के he took that fallen branch और गया, and those जो pit में गिर गया था, and there was snow all over. It started cementing, right? thaw हो गया था, so it started cementing. और दोस्त को जोर से like he started pulling his friend out. जो 8 साल का लड़का गिर गया था, and he could pull his friend out. He didn't think about any limitations, right? He's just a 6-year-old kid. He didn't think about any limitations. His only priority was to save his friend's life, and he could save his friend's life. जब उसको पूछा गया, तुम्हें, you're just a 6-year-old boy. How could you pull an 8-year-old boy out of the pit? उसने बोला कि मुझे और कुछ दिखाई नहीं दिया, मुझे बस एक ही पर्पस हो गया कि मेरे दोस्त को बचाना है. So I could do the humongous job because purpose इतना strong हो गया था. I think with that story, our purpose has become so strong that we are marching ahead, irrespective of all the challenges, of all the जो भी कुछ दिख रहा है हमारे सामने. We are marching ahead with the growth mindset, right? Making dad our strength, making his vision and mission our strength, and we feel blessed and grateful. So हम एक पर्पस के साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे. We will economically empower Odisha, will economically empower India, और ये जिम्मेदारी हम सबके ऊपर है, right? सबके ऊपर, इंडिविजुअली के ऊपर. बिजनेस मेरा है, ग्रोथ भी मेरा है, चैलेंजेस भी मेरा है, बट उसी के साथ आगे बढ़ना है, right? Despite of all the challenges. Thank you so much. Back to host.
Thank you, Meeta Didi and Rashmita. What an awesome talk. I know this is going to change a lot of lives, Rashmita. The way you speak, your dad was a very good friend of us, and I can say the legacy is not just money, but the values you have got is awesome, and a lot of people are